I want to take my morning water. I'm trying to go to work, but I will not be staying long today. We'll be closing on time. So after work, I'm going to the market to get some few things so I can prep for the new week. Oh, that was nice. I have pepper soup in my fridge. This is pepper soup. This is 2 plates of pepper soup. There's one here and there's another one here. This is 2 plates of pepper soup, but this is goat meat pepper soup, and I don't feel like eating this goat meat pepper soup now. I want something like catfish pepper soup. And I want I used to hold it. Okay, this is my yogurt. It's raining. I want to use. Okay. So I made yogurt again, and this one is super fluffy. Guys, I'm ready, and I'm off to work. See you. making soup. These are my ingredients for my soup. This is my poma, my meat, catfish, deboned catfish, blended yellow pepper and ozoza seed, and this is my coconut paste, my periwinkle, my fish. This is my oha leaf. I've not peeled it. I'm going to separate them, my oha and ozoza leaf. Crayfish. I like using plated crayfish with food there. So I like to simmer a bit of water, then seasoning and maybe other thing with oil. Fish. I love this Maggi. I love using this. The taste and the aroma is just it. Then I'll add a bit of salt. I like to boil until the color change. This is ugi. Seed leaf. I'm pouring it now. So much water. Really nonsense.
I'm trying to make it very simple. You understand that when some things are being given to you as a believer, it's not that God is trying to be benevolent to you. They are yours. God is not just God is not a benefactor. He's a father who loves. Paying blessing located in Christ Jesus without the access point of justification and salvation. In my car, in the child, in my car, go and bury.
That I'm a supernatural being, called to be an example to the world in word.
I made fried yam. So this is what I'm having for